Question number 71. Number of moles of permanganate ion required for the complete oxidation of 2 mole of thiosulfate ion in alkaline medium is. Student, first of all, we need to know that in case of alkaline medium, permanganate ion, that is MnO4 minus, gets converted into MnO2, and thiosulfate ion, that is S2O3 2 minus, gets converted into sulfate ion, that is SO4 2 minus. I am writing the balanced equation here. 8 moles of MnO4 minus reacts with 3 moles of S2O3 2 minus, 1 mole of water to give 8 moles of MnO2, 6 moles of SO4 2 minus, and 2 OH minus. Here we have to calculate number of moles of permanganate ion for the complete oxidation of 2 moles. So, for 3 moles of S2O3 2 minus, 8 moles of MnO4 minus are required. So, for 2 moles of S2O3 2 minus, 8 upon 3 multiplied by 2 moles of MnO4 is required. That means 16 upon, which is equals to 16 upon 3 moles. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, which is question number 72. 4 mole of an ideal gas at 17 degrees Celsius is expanded isothermally and reversibly from 5 liter to 20 liter. The entropy change in the process is. Students, I'm writing the formula to calculate entropy in this case. So, for isothermal reversible process, delta S is equals to NR ln V2 by V1. So let's put the values. Delta S is equals to 4 multiplied by R. R is 8.314 multiplied by 2.303 log. V2 is 20 upon V1, which is 5. So 4 into 8.314 into 2.303 into log 4, which is equals to 46.11 joule per Kelvin. Student, I have multiplied the entire terms. Please avoid using calculator. Try and solve these questions with your pen and paper only, so that by the end of this preparation, when you will be in your NEET exam, the calculations will take lesser time. So you need to practice every day. So here for this question, the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is 73. Let's read it. Consider the following reaction at equilibrium, that is PCl5 gives PCl3 plus Cl2. If small amount of helium gas is added to the above equilibrium at constant volume, then. Student, first of all, this is a very easy question. We need to know that if inert gas is added to the equilibrium mixture at constant volume, if constant volume is there, then there is no effect on the equilibrium. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, which is 74. Let's read it. The aqueous solution of which salt has highest pH? Students, the salt of weak acid and strong base will have the highest pH value. So among the given options, PHONA is a salt of weak acid and strong base. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, which is 75. Let's read it. If the pH of saturated solution of BOH3 at 298 Kelvin is 10, then the solubility product of BOH3 in aqueous solution is. Students, here we are given BOH3. So this on dissociation gives B3 plus plus 3OH minus. Let's take the solubility of BOH whole 3 is S mole per liter. So here the concentration of B3 plus ion is S and the concentration of OH minus will be 3S. And we all know that Ksp is equals to the product of the concentration of the products formed. So concentration of B3 plus multiplied by concentration of hydroxide ion raised to the power 3. So this is S, this is 3S whole cube. So this will be 27S4. Now students, we are given that the pH is 10. So if the pH is 10, the value of POH will be 4, that is 14 minus 10. That means the concentration of OH ion will be 10 raised to the power minus 4. And the concentration of OH ion in the solution is 3S. So if 3S is 10 raised to the power minus 4, so S will be 1 upon 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. Let's put the value of solubility in this equation of Ksp. We get Ksp is equals to 27 multiplied by 1 upon 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 whole 4. Since we have already calculated that Ksp is equals to 27 into S raised to the power 4, student, you have to multiply the entire term. I have already multiplied this. The value is 3.3 into 10 raised to the power minus 17. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Again, I am telling you, please avoid using calculator. Moving to next question.